Hello, Boosterbeast here. Today we got something special, something magical, something amazing. We are introducing Pokemon to the channel. We will start opening up Pokemon packs. We got 1 pack of Evolution. I found this in a box of booster packs I had, I guess. And so we're gonna open this up, and then we're gonna start opening up more and more Pokemon stuff, Magic stuff, Yu-Gi-Oh, and other cool cards I like to collect. So let's get into it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And here we go. I'm so scared to open this. It does not want to open. There we go. First pack of Pokemon. Ooh. Okay, we got a Seal, Poliwag, Tangela, Voltorb, Energy, Reverse Hollow-ish, I don't know, Coughing. And then we got a Slowbro EX. Very nice, very nice. Trainer, Nerino, and there is the code card. Hope you enjoy it. Boom. And that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and look forward to future pack openings of Pokemon cards. And I will see you later. This video has been brought to you by your boy, Boosterbeast. Bye-bye.